When we teach the vertical multiplication, like the algorithm, we want to make sure that the students understand the horizontal multiplication first. 2 times 5 is 10. So we carry the 10 up here with actually the invisible 0 to make sure that we know that it's a 10. Then we multiply. 30 times 5 is 150. That's the same thing as 30 times 5 over here. It's 150 plus the extra 10, which is this 10 here, to equal 160. So it's the same answer. Sometimes I've had students where they know they have to do multiply and then do some adding. So they'll write 2 times 5 is 10. They'll put a 10 up here. And then sometimes they'll think, well, I know I have to multiply. So I'll multiply 3 times 1 is 3. And then maybe I'll plus this number here is 5. And I'll add that for 80. But that doesn't make sense if we know why we're doing these things. 30 times 5 is 150. So then we need to re-explain that the 2 times 5 is the 10. And we put the 10 up here, and 30 times 5 is 150, and then we add the extra 10 up here for 160. And once students understand that, the algorithm is much easier. So Savannah has been working on her multiplication, and she just completed the question 32 times 5 by separating the 32. Now, if we write the same question vertically, what do we do, Savannah?
2 times 5 is 10.
Okay. And then why do you put the 1 up there?
Because it's not, this is...
It's the 1 of the 10, right?
Yeah.
So that's an actual 10. Okay, then what do you do?
3 times 5 equals 15 plus 1 equals 16.
Okay. So if we look at what it is over here, so 2 times 5 is the 10. That's the same 10 over here. 2 times 5 is 10. And if we look at this number, it's 3 times 5, but it's actually a 30. So 30 times 5, which is over here, 30 times 5 is 150. And the 1 up here, that's the 10. So 30 times 5 is 150 plus 10 more is 160, which is why we write 160 down here, because we add those two numbers together. So it's the same multiplication, just written a different way. And this is in one fluid step, and these are 2 steps.